Rosacea. Introduction. Please point to the epidermis. Choose one of the following options. Correct. This is the outer layer of skin called the epidermis. The cause of rosacea is unknown, but exposure to triggers such as strenuous exercise or consuming hot or spicy foods may activate symptoms. Select true or false. Correct. No one knows what causes rosacea, but some people may have triggers that cause their rosacea symptoms to appear. Maud has noticed that her face is flushed a lot lately. She also has small red lines under the skin on her face. Maud's eyes have been itchy and red. Should Maud contact her healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. Flushed face, small red lines under the skin on the face, and itchy red eyes may be a sign of a problem. Maud should contact her healthcare provider. Antibiotics are often given to treat rosacea that affects the skin or the eyes. Select true or false. Correct. Antibiotics may be applied to the skin in an ointment. In other cases, antibiotics may be taken orally. Thank you for using Explain.